Okay, let's go very secret and interesting tool. Ads Insight. Ads Insight tool is basically you can see your competitors' PPC. Like Ads Insight, you can understand how many PPC campaigns they have. Is it the broad match, phrase match, auto campaign? How many keywords they are using in the campaign, one single campaign? And sometimes even we can go from the ads insight to another tool to understand what the percentage of the traffic they are getting from the advertising and what the percentage from the organic. So guys, okay, let's go to any this niche or another niche, doesn't matter. We can do, for example, for this product, I wanna go like this product. I open this one. Meanwhile, you can use the both Chrome extension and also the from the tool as well. If you are using the Chrome extension from here, we see the ads inside here. You see ads inside. We click it, and it takes us to here the tool, and they put the ASIN here. Meanwhile, it's weekly data. We can select weekly, monthly, doesn't matter. So from here, we see this guy has 14 ad groups and for just overall, just suppose that 14 campaigns. It's 14 campaigns here and 14 ad groups. Sorry, under 12 campaign. Probably they have one campaign, two ad groups. They have something like that. Two campaigns contain two ad groups. So this is the data related to their campaign. We see these small dots. There is one. These dots indicate search terms like this one, this one, this one. This is the weeks. Like, okay, this is the weeks. The last week, the previous week, this different week. So how we approach and how we analyze this data. There is only one search terms. You see here, there is, you see in this, I'm saying from here, search terms, there are three search terms. If we go this one, there is only one search terms. And here, two search terms. If they are similar search terms, like one or two, three, or something like that, it's highly likely this campaign is exact campaign. Why? Because search terms are mainly same. So it means the campaign has one keyword, they are getting the same keyword as a search term. But if we see dots getting bigger, maybe I can switch to monthly to show you better. If the dots are getting bigger and smaller, or sometimes more and sometimes less, it means it's probably broad campaign or auto campaign. For example, let's go to there is one this probably also, yeah, let's analyze this one. There is one, two, one. Here is the 7. Okay, we can open and see basically what the search terms are there. I'm just clicking. Here we are, like the keywords: baby care playpen, baby playpen with mat, baby girl playpen. So here we see their organic ranking. This is an organic rank for these keywords. Okay, this is also the trends and the monthly search volume. This data related to this keywords like monthly search volume, impression, how our ASIN and the total ASIN, in the search query performance, we can see the impression and the here also same. From here, we understand total impression is for over 14,000, and our ASIN got daily impression is 340 for this keyword, baby care playpen. You can see here also, you can see what the products got more impression, like the first one, second one, third one. It's same as Amazon Brand Analytics. We can see the three biggest seller cutting impression and as well the conversion as well. This is also PPC bits. You can understand what's the PPC bits of the keyword from here, a maximum, minimum, and this data is also coming from directly Amazon. You can rely on Totally, it's the Amazon data. If you don't believe, you just open your Seller Central and you can compare PPC beats or search volume or impression share, etc., etc. But here the main topic we are talking about the PPC ads inside. You can see your competitors, how many campaigns they have firstly, and from here what I understood is probably this campaign is baby care playpen, baby playpen with mat, baby girl playpen. This could be a phrase campaign or maybe it's exact campaign, right? Maybe phrase campaign because everywhere there is a playpen, and there is the sometimes keyword before this phrase, sometimes after, but it's never between those keywords. This campaign could be the phrase match. If you analyze and for example here they had a campaign, they didn't get any impression or any search terms. Probably this is the exact campaign. Could be playpen with mat for babies and the toddlers. This is the exact keywords they give. Probably this is the exact campaign. Guys, this guy doesn't have too many campaigns, so maybe I grab any different ASIN to understand they have more. I just put new ASIN here in search. Okay, this guy has 39 the campaign and 39 ad groups on the 18 campaign. Here probably this is auto because you see here is 46 search terms, 53 is and down 18. It is also maybe this is broad like 28, 5 or 17, or this one seems definitely auto campaign here. In June they had 49 the search terms, but next month in July they had only 3 search terms. Maybe sometimes they got more, sometimes less. There is different amount of the search terms. It means this guy is running this campaign as a auto campaign. Meanwhile, we name it with random letters like VDE. It doesn't have any specific meaning. Doesn't mean their campaign name on the Amazon is like this, but we name it with random digits and random sometimes the letters. Okay, does I talk more? Maybe do you have any question? How do you feel about?
Yeah, I mean, again, makes sense. And if we want to improve our current PPC campaigns, we can throw in our top competitors here, like see their campaigns, see maybe where we are lacking, maybe we are not, directing specific keywords. I mean, aiming at specific keywords with our own PPC, so we can discover them through our competition. And I assume that we can also find campaigns that target other ASINs maybe in these campaigns. So we will see ASINs, not keywords. Is that right, Yalcin? Can that be there too?
Sorry, you said very good word and very good emphasize. Guys, this SellerSprite tool or general tool indicate only keyword related campaigns. Like we show the sponsored product and the sponsored brands and the sponsored brand video, but we cannot track the ASIN targeting or sponsored display videos, sponsored display campaign. We cannot show it. There is direct, indirect way, but it's more complicated here. I don't want to go. This tool is only showing keyword related targeting, sponsored product and the sponsor video, sponsor brand video.
Yeah, fair enough. So we can, again, at least do our best before we even launch our campaigns to make the most out of them from the beginning. We can go check, see which keywords are included in most of the competitors that are in the top. So perhaps we can go and target these, or we can maybe find less, smaller keywords that are not as big. However, they might be highly converting keywords because we can see the Amazon Brand Analytics section there, which was ABA. And again, if we see kind of that these ASINs fall under high clicks there and high conversion, so perhaps we can try aiming there too. So yeah, there's a lot to do with it, and it can give us insights for improvement or for from beginning starting a decent PPC campaign, etc.
Yeah, especially if you are new, it's gonna help a lot. For example, this guy running this campaign, maybe you can go back, like just pulling to left side, you can see their PPC history. They did the PPC campaign last year, previous year, and different years. So it means you might not need exactly the run the PPC, figure out what the keyword is working, what's not working. You can go back to analyze your competitors. For example, 2024 April, what kind of campaigns they run and what the keywords worked, what keyword didn't work. So now you figure out what is working and they put those keywords to work for you. You don't need to, they spend a lot of time, a lot of money to throw Amazon, consume your money, and then figure out, oh, this keyword is working, this keyword doesn't work, so I don't need to target this much, too much. You can exactly find out what kind of PPCs they run and how get the successful, what the keyword convert the better. Probably you will understand from here. If they are keeping same keyword 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 5 months as an exact campaign, it means
Interesting.
okay, this keyword would work fine. So you go to same way.
Yeah, interesting point. The time frame. If like you see a keyword that's in their PPC for many months or years, so most likely, unless they're not optimizing at all, but most likely if they're a seller that's, that their ASIN has been there for a while and the seller is there for a while, most likely they're smart enough to optimize their PPC campaign, and we can see what's already working from this tool, and then we can do kind of the same thing because it's a functioning keyword that is not a money waster, hopefully, uh, for us if we also optimize our listing,
Yes,
etc.
yes,
But
yes, yes.
interesting point, man. All right, kind of clear. Again, I'll remind our listeners, viewers, in the description we have free trial, coupon code to save money with SellerSprite, which is HIVOVA, HIVOVA. Again, thanks for using my codes, my links. I appreciate it. Helps keep the content free.